Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to restore Arc browser settings to their original defaults on a Windows 11 PC. If you are facing issues or just want a fresh start, this quick guide will help you reset everything back to how it was when you first installed the browser. Let's get started. First open Arc browser. After that click on this one Arc icon in the top left corner and then click on this one settings option. After that under profiles section click on this one default. After that beside advanced search settings click on this one arrow. After that choose reset settings in the left sidebar. After that under reset settings you will find this one option restore settings to their original defaults. Click on this one. Here you should notice this will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary data. However, bookmarks, history and saved passwords will not be affected. Once you read this one details, click on this one reset settings button. This will reset the settings of the Arc browser. That's all about this video. Bye.